Hello, telephone? Naabutan niyo pa ba to? O, diba? Talagang 80s galore dito sa Stranger Things. Hellfire Club sa Shibuya, Tokyo, kung saan sineselebrate talaga natin ang final season ng hit Netflix show na ito. Guys, sobrang emotional natin dahil season 1 pa lang, nakita na natin, nakasalamuhan na natin yung stars ng Stranger Things. And nag-junket pa sila ng season 2 ha, sa Pilipinas. Iti-take around ko lang kayo. Yung nakikita nyo, bale, dito sa likuran natin, iba't ibang market po yan. Hindi lang from the Philippines, may from US, Canada, India, Australia, Indonesia, Korea. We are all present for the final season of Stranger Things. And lahat talaga ha, grabe, todo yung theme. Deck out, see, this whole place transformed. Actually, buong building to guys, dahil may pang pictorial area pa sa 3rd floor. Lahat game na game, G na G. Diba? Naka-80s.
I'm Billy Hargrove. Yeah! Since tayo, about nostalgia tayo kasi last season Billy.
Siyempre, nagkaroon ng jamming session ng karaoke at hindi nagpahuli ang mga Pilipino. Kasama nga natin si Maron, ang isa sa voice actors ng K-pop Demon Hunters Filipino dub na nagpakitang gila sa stage. Sama ang content creators na si Kerwin at si Jez. At dahil final season na, ang brutal na tanong, sinong hinulaan ng mga content creator na posibleng mamatay sa final season? Oh.
11. I feel like 11's gonna die. 11 or Will.
I think it's gonna be iconic when one of the kids die.
Theory ko pala, magkaka-showdown nga si 11 sa si Will. Pero wala sa kanilang dalawa yung mamamatay. Merong iba. Sa paglalaban nila, merong maapektuhan doon.
Steve. I genuinely think Steve is. Because think about it like this, right? The chances are it's going to be Steve because he was a douche in the first season, and now everyone loves him. It all adds up to him.
I think they're going to introduce a new character. I know it's unpopular opinion, and I think that character is going to die.
What? Okay, but that's going to be safe.
And I think that's here. I don't know. I don't want anyone to die. Is that bad? Okay, 11. I'll be controversial. 11's gonna die because they want to get a lot of press, so they're gonna piss off the fans and kill 11.
Wait, who's your favorite character?
I really liked Yuri, the guy who was like the plane driver from season 4. He was just like so funny.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mapapanood ng Stranger Things Part 1 sa November 26 sa US, 27 sa Pilipinas sa Netflix.